Hello everyone. I wanted to share my experience with you with the ASUS TUF gaming laptop A17. I've had it for 2 years now. I never had a connection problem with it, but for some reason, all of a sudden, I kept dropping Wi-Fi connection. It works if you put the LAN cable in, but as soon as I connect to the Wi-Fi network, and I've tried to change networks, I've tried every trick I found on the internet, and it turned out to be a faulty Wi-Fi card. It's a Realtek one. I think it's 8822C or something like that. It was faulty, so I decided to change it, and here is how I did it. First of all, to get into the laptop, there are 11 Phillips head screws that you will need to unscrew. You also need a plastic prying tool to pry the cover out, and be careful not to damage the copper slates at the back of the laptop for ventilation. I am fast forwarding this step here as I have another video where I show you how to add an extra SSD drive storage. You can check it out if you want more details as to how to get into the laptop. You'll find your Wi-Fi card under this SSD. So I'm here taking it out. This is a Phillips head screw. You'll unscrew that thing and then take the SSD out. Just be careful not to damage or break anything. Wiggle it slowly and it comes out. And make sure to put back the Phillips screw in where it was, just so that you don't lose it. You don't want to lose anything. And after that, you can see the Wi-Fi card over there. There's two antennas attached to it. One is a main and the other is an auxiliary. Make sure you know which is which. It's written down on there, and it's color coded on the new and the old one. So again, it should be easy to fit back on the new card once you install it. I'm here just taking the new thing out of the box. Here I'm disconnecting the antennas. Be careful not to damage or bend the connectors. After that, it's just smooth sailing. You put in the new card and you attach the antennas. As I said, just make sure you put the main to main and auxiliary to auxiliary, and you put back the SSD drive where it was, and that should be it really. Make sure you give it a quick clean before you put it back in. As you can see, the fans are full of dust, so make sure you clean it up before you close it all again. And thank you.